Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out one of the coolest electric crossovers of 2026, the all-new Zeekr X, a compact EV with luxury vibes, smart tech, and a price that challenges big names in the market. Let's dive right in. The 2026 Zeekr X is a premium compact electric SUV built by Geely's luxury EV brand, Zeekr. It sits in the subcompact crossover segment but brings features normally found in higher-end EVs. It comes with two battery options, around 66 kWh and 75 kWh, offering up to 450 to 500 km of range depending on the model. You get both RWD single motor and AWD dual motor variants. And with a sleek design, strong performance, and futuristic interior tech, this car is aimed at young buyers who want style and practicality in one package. The 2026 Zeekr X has a futuristic, sharp exterior that instantly grabs attention. Up front, the split LED lighting, hidden daytime running strips, and aggressive bumper give it a sporty look. From the side, you'll notice the smooth aerodynamic shape, retractable door handles, frameless doors, and sharp body lines that make it stand out. The rear features a full-width LED light bar and a floating roof effect, giving it a premium EV identity. Overall, the Zeekr X looks modern, minimal, and premium, perfect for urban environments. Step inside, and the Zeekr X truly feels high-end. You get a clean minimalist cabin with soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a floating center console. The highlight is the massive 14.6-inch touchscreen, powered by a fast Snapdragon chip, offering super smooth UI and full smart car features. There's also a panoramic glass roof, a digital driver display, and even sliding screens in some trims, giving passengers extra entertainment options. Zeekr has also designed a cabin with multiple smart storage spaces and a wide, airy feel that makes it look bigger than it actually is. The comfort level of the 2026 Zeekr X is impressive for its size. The seats come with premium Nappa leather, ventilation, heating, and memory functions depending on the trim. Rear passengers get good legroom thanks to the flat EV floor design. Ride quality is tuned for softness, ideal for city driving while still stable on highways. The cabin is quiet, thanks to double-layer glass and excellent insulation, making long drives smooth and relaxing. Performance is where the Zeekr X surprises many people. The base single-motor RWD version produces around 200 to 270 horsepower, giving you a quick response and smooth acceleration. The dual-motor AWD variant jumps up to over 420 horsepower, allowing a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 3.8 seconds, seriously fast for a compact SUV. The steering is light, handling is sharp, and the regenerative braking system can be tuned to your liking. Fast charging also lets you go from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. So, the 2026 Zeekr X is a stylish, tech-loaded, and performance-oriented electric crossover that brings premium features at a competitive price. If you want a compact EV that looks futuristic, drives well, and offers high-end comfort, this one should definitely be on your list. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tell me which car you want reviewed next.